seems I inherited a character trait from my grandfather that, sometimes gets the best of me. So, as a kid, it was a dangerous thing to walk in front of the garage door at my grandfather's house, because you never knew what was going to come flying out of that garage, whether it was a tool or a car part or something that had pissed him off so bad that he just had to chuck it. Well, that is something that I apparently have inherited. So I'm not embarrassed by that. I wear it with a badge of honor, and I respect my grandfather. He's one of the most highly respected people in my life. He's long since passed, but I have these moments that remind me of him, and those are things that are exhibited through my behavior, which I'm actually proud of. I'm not embarrassed by that. But anyway, here's the quick little clip. It's kind of funny. I get upset at my impact wrench. I was just looking for it to see if it was here. I was going to show it to you, but I don't have it right here right now. But yeah, I get a little upset at this impact wrench, and you'll see kind of how I respond to that. So check it out, get a good laugh. I did, and yeah, have fun. Craftsman impact wrench. Garbage. Here it is. Here's the impact wrench that got chucked across the room. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. Maybe you guys could have some ideas or something like that. What comes to mind immediately is shooting it with a 50 cal, maybe? Maybe you guys want to see that? I don't know. You guys want to see me do something crazy with this? Because it's really just a piece of garbage and I hate it. So put it in the comments. Let me know. We'll do something crazy with it. So until then, keep on building stuff and have fun.